Greetings from Mayor Woods. Morrow Woods. Look who's outside for the first time in 2 days. Hopefully I can pick him up. He just take him back in when time comes. And here is Kit Kat. Kit Kat came back outside because he's suffering from acute diarrhea. You can see his sides are sunk right in. Hopefully he's cleaned himself up. Hopefully he gets some of this food. His rear end's all inflamed from all the diarrhea. He went inside for about 36 hours, and then he was making such a mess upstairs at Mary's place that she brought him back outside. What do we got here? I'm not sure who that is. Afternoon feeding time. All right, God bless.